Hi guys, welcome to Flashpack's first ever episode of Packed. Today I'm going to be telling you everything that you need for your Croatian getaway. From walking shoes to waterproof cameras, this stuff is all super important. So keep watching and let's get straight into it. So they may be really obvious ones, but a travel tag and passport wallet are absolute staples no matter where you're flying to. So you're never going to need to rummage around your bag looking for your passport when you have this all ready to go. So on our trip to Croatia, we kayaked through the stunning Microfiber river. So if you do want to capture these awesome memories, we highly recommend bringing a waterproof camera with you. This way you can just completely enjoy the experience without having to worry about ruining your phone. A great alternative is just a classic action camera. When it comes to toiletries, you want to make sure that you're not wasting space. So just buy a bunch of minis before you actually leave, and this way you don't have to worry about buying anything once you're there. Don't forget to bring with you one of these, a European adapter. This is actually a multi-purpose one, so you have UK, Australia on there. You're just going to need the Europe one, which is just the two round ends like that. Another great tip for kayaking in the Microfiber river is taking one of these with you. It's just a waterproof cover for all your bits and bobs so that they don't get ruined when you're out there. So when you're out exploring Dubrovnik all day, we highly recommend bringing with you a good day pack like this. Just a nice small one will do so that you can fit all your essentials like your water, sunscreen and thin layers. It's a good idea to keep all your underwear in a small bag like this, or you can keep it in one of the side pockets of your suitcase. Also bring with you a laundry bag just so that you know what's dirty and what isn't. In Croatia, it is standard etiquette to give 10% gratuity, even if this fee is included in your bill. So we recommend bringing a little travel wallet like this, just so that you have it there and ready for the day. So one of the absolute worst things is running out of phone battery when you need it most. This portable charger is honestly such a lifesaver. So when you're relaxing on Croatia's beautiful beaches, all you have to do is plug this into your phone and then you can just take pictures all day long. So you're going to need some comfortable trainers with a good grip for places like the Toiletries lakes where there's quite a bit of walking to do. Whilst Croatia is a beautiful summer destination, you're never going to know when it's going to get a bit chilly, so make sure you bring some light layers and jumpers with you. So you're going to want to bring with you a reusable water bottle and some stainless steel straws. This makes it really easy to play your part in helping to reduce plastic waste. And these are actually super accessible as well. These ones are just from Keep Cup. And this one here is a microfiber travel towel. These I swear by. They are super compact, lightweight, highly absorbent, and really quick drying. So this is another great one for Croatia's Toiletries lakes. Here there's dozens of beautiful waterfalls, so this towel is honestly going to make your life 100 times easier. Even if you're just having a relaxing day on the beach, this can also double up as a beach towel. So don't forget all your summery bits. You want some flip-flops, t-shirts, bathers, but also bring some jeans just in case it gets a bit chilly. Next up we have some activewear, some light skirts or shorts, and a rain jacket. So when we travel to the Toiletries lakes, we'll actually be doing around a 4-hour walk around. It's super beautiful there, but just make sure that you have the appropriate activewear with you. And last but not least, don't forget your sun hat and some sunscreen. And that is it, everything that you're going to need for your trip to Croatia. Our packing list has been tailored to our own specific trip, but you can definitely add more or less depending on how long you're going for and what you're going to be up to. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time for another episode of Packed.